This is a 2-in-1 808nm Diode Pico laser hair and tattoo removal machine. This is suitable for all skin tones since there are 3 wavelengths, 1064nm plus Diode 808nm plus the 755nm. As you see, it has big spots, size 30mm, and the 13 plus the 20mm face and body hair removal solution. And the cooling system is with unique dual TEC cooling system, which is the most effective one to ensure machines work all day, 24 hours, no downtime. And you know what? This is with the 20 million shot. And from our research from clients' feedback, it can do treatment for about 200 clients. So with this machine, you can offer hair removal, eyebrow washing, tattoo removal, spot removal, and skin regulation package to your clients. And it's completely pain-free. After its lifetime, you can just change the lamp, which is greatly saving the machine's cost. If you like it, DM or Cadella by clicking the Get Grow buttons in the bottom left corner to get the factory direct code and follow Joe's Beauty.